been in education for 10 years, and I am excited and ecstatic to bring my love of yoga and love of kids together to bring Kids Yoga to the Yoga Factory starting this summer with Kids Summer Camp. I have been in education for 10 years, and I have taught 2nd and 3rd grade, have loved every minute of it, and started my yoga journey about 8 years ago. The last year I have transformed my life with taking the 200-hour cert with Stacy here at the Yoga Factory, and decided that I wanted to pursue my passion of kids yoga. I went and got my 95-hour cert through Baptiste Yoga Foundation. I love teaching kids because of their innocence, because of their love for each other, their love for new things, and I love that they're little sponges that absorb and take each and everything you say and do and run with it. My commitment as a kids yoga teacher is to bring presence both on and off the mat and teach kids that they can have control of their life through yoga.